information about what I'm doing, then make sure to just follow my Discord, join my Discord. So, and now I need to eat the asparagus or try the asparagus. So the rest of the lettuce goes in here. Yes, it's in Korean with subtitles. And I prefer watching Korean dramas with subtitles rather than to have the dubbed versions, because you mostly don't have such good dubbed versions at the moment. So I don't like it that much. I prefer the subtitle versions to have the original voice of the actors. Sometimes they are dubbed, yes. Oh, I think there's not enough salad, but I should first try one asparagus. Not that it's too soft. I have to take it out of the water, otherwise. Okay, then. I hold this underneath. No K-drama watchers listen to dubs. Yes, that's right. That is true. But some people prefer dubs over subs because then they can still work on something else while watching it. But most of the time, K-dramas are just way too tenseful. Like, they are so super interesting that you just have to stop everything you're doing at the moment and just watch the K-drama. And it's mostly just 16 episodes. So that's also nice, because I don't like these series where you have 100 episodes and it never stops, you know? Or just like the anime One Piece, it has over 500 episodes. Who has